Hi and welcome to Easy License. My name's Rahan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter your own personal or private lessons into your calendar. To log into your instructor account, please visit our Easy License website and select the instructor login that will be found in the top right hand side of your page. Once you've logged into your account, you will land on your dashboard. To add in personal or private lessons, we need to navigate to our calendar, and to do this we can use the drop down menu in the top right hand side of the page and select calendar. From here we can then add personal lessons or private lessons by clicking on the create event button, which we can see in the top right hand side. This will then bring up two options, and we want to click on create personal event. It will then ask you to enter in some details about the personal or private lesson. So, for example, under event name, I'm going to write personal lesson. The start date, I want to be the 6th of November. The start time, I want to be 8 o'clock, so I'm going to change this to 8 o'clock. And I want the finish time to be 10 o'clock, so I'll change these here too. For event type, I'm going to select lesson, and I would not like to change the travel time, so I'm going to leave that as no, and then I'm going to select create event. Once we have selected create event, we will see that personal lesson appear in our calendar. So here we can see the personal lesson is 8 to 10 a.m. and it is a blue block. It is really important that you enter in all of your personal and private lessons into your calendar to avoid any double booking errors between your own personal learners and Easy License learners. Once a personal lesson is inputted in your calendar, you cannot be booked by an Easy License learner at this time. To edit, change, or add more information to a personal lesson, please select the block you'd like to change. From here, we can then make changes to the personal lesson. For example, I could add in a name of the learner. I could add in the address of the learner and where the lesson's going to start. I can change the start time or the date, or I can go down to the bottom and I can add in some notes about maybe what the learner wants to work on or something you've worked on previously. Once you have finished making all your changes, you can then scroll down to the bottom and click the yellow Save Changes button. If you'd like to delete the event, you can simply press Delete Event. Once we've selected Save Changes, we can see that all that information now shows up in the lesson booking. Another way we can edit the time of a personal lesson is by clicking on the block and dragging it to where we'd like it to go. Once we let go of the block, the time of the lesson will automatically be adjusted and a new Easy License lesson booking time will be inputted via our smart scheduling system. Another thing to note is that you can put personal lessons or events at any time in your calendar. So you could even add them in these grayed out areas, which is outside of your operating hours. For example, I could drag this personal lesson and move it a day earlier, or I could move this lunch with my family into here as well. So this helps you keep track of your schedule even on your days that you aren't working with Easy License. To find out more about adding private and personal lessons to your calendar, please visit our support section. You can do this by visiting our drop down in the top right hand side of your screen and selecting support. From here you can use the search bar to search up articles, or you can submit a request to talk to our customer service team. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you at the next one.